One of the things that Ken Blackman's shop had done was swap the instrument panel out. This is a later style AA1B instrument or C instrument panel, and a little more room for more circuit breakers and switch positions, and that's a nice little cleanup. And I'm debating on what instrumentation to put in here, thinking about the EI TAC. He had put, Ken's shop had put the EI fuel flow gauge in here, and if you look down, there it is. You can see the red cube down there for the fuel flow on the back side of the firewall. When I got the airplane, I got it without an engine originally, and I saw the EI gauge, but I figured that cube had gone with the engine. And then after I got it home, I looked in there and saw the red cube on this side of the firewall and said, oh, at least I don't have to replace that.